Today I wanted to show you an algae called Clostridium. Most Clostridiums have mysterious crystals in them, and these crystals interact with polarized light, shining like tiny fireflies. And they dance too. These crystals are in constant motion as they vibrate. Here it appears these crystals roll and rotate by themselves. This is called Brownian motion, which is caused by water molecules bumping up against the crystals. Scientists still don't know the function of these crystals. They actually don't need to have a function or purpose. Sometimes things are just there. Clostridiums mostly collect barium crystals. There are more than 30 radioactive isotopes of barium known. Barium emits a gamma photon type of radiation. Clostridium, under certain circumstances, can also collect strontium. Strontium and barium are close in size and properties. Both get crystallized and enriched in the Clostridium's tips. Because of its ability to collect these isotopes, they can also be used to clean up an environment after a radioactive disaster, a task that would harm humans. So kick back and watch the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, thanks for watching.